If you are a licensed esthetician or cosmetologist and you would like to add lash extensions to your menu, or you just want to become a full-time lash artist, this course is perfect for you. Lash extension services are in high demand, so it's never been a better time to join. Well, hello, my name is Sanela and I'm the owner of Maine Lash, and I would like to introduce you to our lash extensions course. As you can see in our course, we offer two different options. One is one-day training and the other option is two-day training. So basically you'll have one-day group training and one-on-one training with the trainer. Most of our students select their one-day training and they can choose to add a second day additional if they feel they needed to. The one-day training is within a group, maximum 4 students and minimum 2 students per class. We will go over some book work, we'll teach you everything you need to know about lashes, lash health, and how to create beautiful sets for your clients. The next portion of your training will be working on a mannequin head. We'll be applying lash extensions on the mannequin, and then after you have practiced on the mannequin head, you will be practicing on clients, real eyes. In your class, you will receive all the products that you will need to start lashing. Lash pads, lash extensions, lash remover. You'll receive a full kit with everything you will need to start your lash career. The products that I have chosen to include into our lash kits are the same products that we use here at our studio. So our lashes are very lightweight, very soft, very gentle, and our clients love them because they can't even feel them. I have tried many different lash brands throughout the years since I started lashing in February 2019. I tried many other brands and those are my favorites, and I have included those same products in your kit. In our training, we do prioritize natural lash health. So all the products and materials and the technique that you will be taught is how to keep your clients' lashes safe from breakage and damage. If you're interested in signing up for this course, please feel free to. You can email us, you can text us, you can call us. All the information is in our website at mainebrownlash.com, and we'll be happy to answer any questions. We can even schedule a quick phone call and I'll give you all the information you'll need and sign you up. I'm excited for you to join our class.